Once upon a time in a cozy suburban home, there lived a curious and adventurous cat named Moacha. Moacha had always dreamed of exploring the great unknown, and one hot summer day, he stumbled upon an extraordinary find, a mini air-conditioned spaceship tucked away in the attic. With his whiskers twitching with excitement, Moacha hopped into his newfound vessel and set off on a cosmic journey. Inside his tiny spaceship, the cool breeze and soft hum of the air conditioner provided the perfect atmosphere for interstellar adventures. As Moacha soared through the imaginary galaxies of his living room, he pretended to chase shooting stars and encountered playful alien dust bunnies. With each twist and turn, his imagination soared higher, making his cool air-conditioned spaceship the gateway to endless adventures in the comfort of his home. After his cosmic escapades, Moacha returned to his earthly home, content and full of stories about his daring exploits in the starry depths of space. As he settled in for a cat nap, he knew that his spaceship was a secret portal to a universe of feline dreams.